Hello, welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. Today we're opening a pack of the Lost Caverns of Ixalan. Let's get right into this. I've pulled exactly one Jurassic Park card. Not that it's what I'm going for, but I would be interested in pulling more. We have a Temple, Promising Vein, Disruptor Wanderglyph, Cogwork Wrestler, Thousand Moons Crackshot, Deep Cavern Bat, Soul Coil Viper, Stinging Cave Crawler, Chupacabra Echo, Idol of the Deep King, which turns into Sovereigns, I'm just gonna embarrass myself, to be honest. Oh, Ian Malcolm, chaotic Ian. There we go, Jurassic Park card. Restless Vince, In the Presence of Ages, and a token sheet. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys again next time. Sorry for just blundering myself on every pronunciation. I hope you all have a great rest of your day.